by Louise Bennett Coverley. Independence with a vengeance, independence raising cane. Jamaica start grow beard. I hope your chin can stand this strain. When dog maga him head big, when puss hungry him nose clean, but not every puss and dog know what independence mean. Matty say it mean with feisty, stand up and with dignity, and we don't make nobody take liberty with we. Independence in with nature born and bred in all we do, and she glad say government turn independent too. She hopes that them tell world map fi stop draw Jamaica so small for the liquor speck can't show we independentness at all. More some ever, them fi tell world map we don't like we position. Please take we out of the sea and drop we in the ocean. Hey, independence would never have a chance with so much booger yaga I expose them ignorance. Dog wagging tail for suit him size and stamina. Jamaica people need a independence formula. No easy come by freeness things. No labor, some privation, a little bit of this and less of that. And plenty study ration. Independence in with nature. I wonder how we going cope. Jamaica start smoke pipe. I hope we got enough jackass rope. Ay, ay, ay.